Look at how fat this water snake is. Look at him flatten himself out in his defensive pose like a cobra almost. Things have the most beautiful pattern. I'm gonna let you go now, buddy. You're free to go now, bud. What do you want, war? This thing hasn't had enough. You're free to go, dude. Go, buddy, go. Holy shit. Dude, just fucking go already. Jeez Louise. Alright, dude, get out of here. Go. Get out of here. Scram, dude. That thing was holding his ground. He's like, this is my territory, bitch. Look, he's right there under the water.